What's up, guys? We are back with another Everything's Regular video, man. If you guys caught that intro, man, you guys are looking at a lovely BMW i8, and let me just tell you, man, the doors do go up, man, with my dog Randy, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. The link to his YouTube channel is going to be in the description below. Man, we just out cruising and sliding in the i8, man, seeing what we can come across. You feel me? Seeing what this i8 do. This thing is freaking fresh, man. And y'all just get a glimpse of how we rock it up in here, man. You see what's going on. Got the joints, got the back seat. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I can dig this stuff. See how we rolling though, man. Nah, it sound good. It sound better than I thought for sure.
Yeah, it sounds
good. Got the Porsche.
Slow too. This mud get up.
Got some little juice on it. I can dig it. Some little juice.
Get in this.
Yeah, nah, for sure. And they's got the Raris out.
They do.
Okay, I see you. That's been fun, dog. Man, we here at Dodge Ram, man. So you about to trade this for the Daytona, man, or what?
Man, I'm thinking about it, man.
The i8 though?
Yeah, man, I'm thinking about it.
I
might just get both.
Look at the Hellcat. Okay. Might just get both, huh?
Might just get both, bro.
Hey, man, I can dig that.
Bring that content to the
Got
channel.
the joint right here though. Widebody. Ooh, wait. Definitely got some joints up here today, man. Let's see the motherfucking doors go up on this motherfucker, man. Ooh, y'all see what's going on? Goddamn, yeah. Got the joint out here. Ooh, wee. We got the joint for sure. Yeah, I got you. I'm out here with my dog Randy, about to get another car, man. Trying to see if we want the Hellcat. They got the Daytona. Y'all got the Daytona in there or what? You sold it? Damn. They sold the Daytona. They sold the Daytona.
Ooh, where's that?
They sold it.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, they sold it.
Damn, they sold the one I was actually looking for.
But, you know, we out here. One of a kind for sure.
Second Hellcat.
Woo.
Yeah, I had a blue indigo, the dark blue indigo one.
Okay.
Which was kind of a rare color, but it wasn't the wide body.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, the wide body definitely makes a statement for sure. This thing is crazy.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, I love that color, man.
I love it. I'm absolutely freaking.
And then the
love it.
wheels like match it too, just about, man.
Yes.
Yeah, I love it, man. Congrats, bro.
Sick. Thank you, guys.
When you going to the drag strip, man?
No, as
Soon as it opens, right? Man, let's hear what it sounds like, man, if you don't mind. That thing sound good, man. Fresh Hellcat. This ain't playing, dog.
That's hard.
Yeah, for sure. Got some meaty ass tires on here. Man, y'all see it, man. He got the joint out with us today. I can dig it. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, wait, are they still on now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. He like, man, I want that orange.
Like, no,
I got the wrong one. I got the wrong one. Yeah, no, that's fire. That's for sure fire.
Man, I'm gonna have a couple moments whenever you're ready with me. I was ready to buy one today. He said we can't come today.
He said it's appointment only.
I don't think I have have any more? You looking for a wide body Challenger?
I was looking for a wide body Daytona, which y'all sold it, but I was like, I
I got another one though.
Huh?
I got another one just like that one. Not here at my other store, but I mean, I can get it.
Let's hear something. See, I be getting cracking in the parking lot, man. It got a fat little. There we go. There we go. Let's see it. Oh man, I could dig it.
Man, I gotta come back home.
I could dig it, man. You got the joint, man.
I got the joint.
You got the joint, man. It's not like you don't got the joint, man.
That's true. That's true.
You know, we just couldn't get it today. Shit, it wasn't our fault, you know.
It wasn't.
You know, appointments only, man. So we waiting up here, man, trying to see if we can go see a Daytona or go get the Daytona pulled over here, man. But dude ain't even came back out yet. You think he the plug or what, man?
He ain't the plug.
he ain't the plug. He ain't came back out in like 20 minutes, man. He's out of here.
We about to go.
I don't even see him roaming around nowhere.
It happening 10 days ago. And this is the guy.
No, I'm not.
Right here, Kobe Crawford. He's wanted for shooting into an occupied dwelling
You're
as
like,
well.
you at the
as
wrong
representation.
dealership, man.
Crawford is 5
Definitely
feet
at the
6
right
inches
one,
tall.
bro.
He weighs 100 is considered
Alrighty,
armed and
guys.
dangerous.
Next freaking dealer here, man. Looking for another looking for a Daytona, man. He like, man, we ain't got no. Oh yeah, they got the joint. Okay, yeah, bet. Let me see that joint, man. Yeah, that joint look hard. That's that on me in the Hellcat thing. That's funny. See, this one don't even look that hard compared to this one. You get, I don't know, man. What y'all think about it, man? 2020 Dodge Hellcat Charger wide body 50th anniversary. What they want for it? They want 83,000 for it, man. This thing get off. Ooh, wait. Got that joint on them joints, boy. I ain't never seen one of these up close. So y'all gonna dig it with me, man. This thing is hard. I don't know what number this is, but it is the wide body, dog. What y'all thinking about it? Let me know in the comments below. I'm digging this one. This shit fly. I think they got another oh, this was the one he seen online, but it's not the wide body. Yeah, man, he was looking at this one, but let's see what they want. They want 72 for this one. They want 84 for that one. You might as well get that one for 84. I mean, they damn near the same thing. But I'm gonna need the wide body on mine, man. I can't do it. You feel me? The Hellcats is nice, but I can't do it. I need the joint. They even got a silver one. The silver one on them joints. I like this one, but none of them got red interior. None of them got red interior, but they look nice. Definitely look nice. Which one would you guys choose, man? I'm digging the wide body so far. He said he got 3 of them. Let's check out the other 2. Man, we in the showroom. This red one killing that white one. Bro, this red one is killing the white one. This red one is killing. Oh my God. Whew. Gotta get the red, man. This joint is killing. 11,000 off. I might have to trade in the Marrow, man. I ain't gonna front. I ain't gonna even hold you. This shit right here, crazy. See the white one. I thought the Omni and the Hellcat white one was the one, but this one actually is the one. Now this is the one I would get for sure.
That's for you, I can get it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, this one killing. Hey man, I was so focused on the red one, I didn't even see the blue one. It's crazy. What y'all think? This thing go crazy. This is the actual Daytona numbered car, suede Alcantara steering wheel with the white wing on the back. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. What number is this? Number 28. Wow, can you guys see that? Number 28. This is a really nice one right here, guys. What you guys think?